We are Group 4 and today we will be presenting our site analysis on Hickory, located on Penang Hill. This presentation focuses on identifying the key issues and problems observed on site, along with proposed solutions. Our analysis is divided into 4 main aspects, which are environmental, user, movement, and systems. This finding will help us better understand the site and guide our future design development.
The site faced several issues that impact both user comfort and accessibility. Firstly, insect distribution and pest-related problems can cause discomfort and reduce overall user satisfaction, especially in a nature-based environment. This can be addressed through eco-friendly pest control methods, proper waste management, and the use of natural repellents or screeners semi-open space. Secondly, the hillside location limits accessibility, resulting in fewer transport options, longer travel time, and reduced convenience for the users. To improve this, solutions such as shuttle service, improved access path, and clear wayfinding system can be introduced. Lastly, the elevated position exposes the site sound traveling from lower ground due to the sound refraction, leading to noticeable noise distribution. This can be mitigated for incorporating landscape buffers such as dense vegetation, as well as using sound-absorbing materials and strategic spatial planning to reduce noise impact.
At Hickory, our group found several issues faced by users. One issue is limited accessibility, which makes it harder for some people to move around comfortably. There is also a lack of clear signage, causing confusion for first-time visitors. The porch area often becomes overcrowded, blocking movement and views. In addition, noise travels easily between floors, with sounds from downstairs heard upstairs and footsteps above heard below. The staircase is another concern, as it is steep with narrow steps, making it less safe. Lastly, the reception area is not clearly defined, so users may find it difficult to know where to go for help or information. Besides that, the problems at Hickory shows issues with comfort, accessibility, and overall experience. Elderly and disabled users may find it hard to move around, making the space less inclusive. Users may also feel confused due to an unclear layout. The space can feel cramped, creating a poor first impression and reducing comfort. Noise between floors affects privacy, as sound travels easily. Movement is also difficult due to design features that increase the risk of slipping or tripping. In addition, the lack of a clear flow between areas like the kitchen and terrace can confuse visitors and reduce service efficiency. After identifying the issues and problems at Hickory, we come up with some solutions to improve the experience. First, improve unclear signage by adding a clear wayfinding system with simple signs, arrows, and "You are here" maps. Lighting can also help guide users. Second, reduce crowding at the porch by removing unnecessary items to create more space and improve movement. Lastly, make the reception area more visible by using distant design elements and placing the counter where it can be easily seen from the entrance.
For this slide, I will explain the key spatial and circulation issues identified on site and how they affect user experience and safety. Firstly, the staircase is steep and narrow. This condition makes movement uncomfortable and increases the risk of slip and accidents. Secondly, the circulation relies on a single main road to access key areas like from the entrance to the porch and stage area. This limits movement flexibility and easily creates bottlenecks when there are more users. Another issue is poor wayfinding. Visitors may feel confused and unsure about how to navigate through the space. This affects the user's experience and spatial readability. There are also obstructions near the staircase, porch, and stage area. For instance, the overcrowded furniture layout creates congestion and restricts movement as well as reduce safety in high traffic zones. Lastly, there is a lack of spatial buffer between the semi-public gym area and the private staff area. This compromises staff privacy and reduces comfort in their working environment. Therefore, we can introduce spatial buffer or transitional zones between public and private areas to enhance privacy and comfort. To sum up, these issues not only affect circulation efficiency but also raise safety concerns and reduce the spatial quality.
For the system aspect, we identify several issues related to infrastructure and accessibility at Hickory located on Penang Hill. Firstly, the signal is weak and inconsistent due to the elevated locations and dense surrounding vegetation. This affects users' ability to stay connected, especially for works, communication, and booking systems. Secondly, there is limited transport access to the site for heavy machinery or materials. This makes construction, maintenance, and system upgrades more difficult and costly. To address this issue, we propose improving signal strength by installing signal booster and enhanced Wi-Fi system to ensure stable connectivity throughout the site. In addition, planning for lightweight or modular construction method can help reduce dependency on heavy machinery, making maintenance and future development more efficient. This solution aims to enhance both user experience and system efficiency within the site.